To input a SIM card into POCO X7 Pro, first of all, you have to quickly open the SIM slot, which is located right here. Now apply this SIM tool inside this one, and now just press gently. When the slot jumps out of the phone frame, you have to grab this and gently pull it towards you. Now, as you can see in this phone, we can actually find two slots for SIM cards. So in my case, I'm going to actually apply this first card like that, with this cutout. And when you press it with your finger, you can hear that click sound. There we go. So now if you want to put it back, just take a look. That's how we have to do this. Let's just catch focus, there we go. Now press with your finger and now it is actually finished.